Greetings! This is Luciano the Messenger, inviting one and all when Run Things Record Promotion in association with Wayne Lonesome and Empress Angie and Father Woody from the East presents the real champion sounds of dancehall. Killaman Jaro from Jamaica, Run Things sound, the Dan International sound, Magnum Force, King Vower, and Step of Choice. Make it a date and don't be late. Saturday the 30th of March 2019. Tickets early, bird 20 and 25 at the gate. At the Kasni event venue, 5637 Finch Avenue, E Unit 1 in Canada. Don't miss it. Make it late and don't be late. It's the real champion sounds of the dance hall. See you there.
Hey, that sound, they call it Run Things, Run Things. Rocking with vibration, we gonna rock the nation and show them that we are the champion. Yeah, rock them with rubber duckers of bubble up. You know, to Run Things.
I'm on a family, darling, from Monday to Friday, love. And at the end of the week, I got to listen to Run Things sound play. Okay, me and my brother Johnny take a little stroll in the dance hall. Wow. Watching the African queens having themselves a ball. Okay, no better skank if you skanking. Oh, well. I saw